What's up, Toasters? And 2 bits? It's your boy Stitch, man. I've been working on the 65 Impala, nothing but a G thing. And I got the lower panels all stripped down, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with these door panels here. I definitely can't put no hideous mess like this back. Y'all know that. So I'm trying to come up with a little idea on how we can formulate and make it look worth something. So I do got the seats knocked out. Seats knocked out. Nice, clean, back OG pattern. The contrast stitching. Got the dash all dyed up. Got the wiring laid out where it's gonna go. We about to build a console for the shifter and all. What y'all think? What y'all think about the 65? Even did the backs to match. Huh. Nice and clean. Gonna snap them in place. Make sure all the pleats gonna line up. They just sitting in there right now. Everything just loose. So we gotta take them back out and put the side panels in. It's about an idea how it's all gonna formulate with the light and the dark. Throw a top on this thing. Let them catch some sun rays. And it is a super sport. That's on the 65. What else we got here? He did hit me up and say he want to do a digital dash. So we're going to put a digital dash in that part. We trying to figure it out. I got the dash part wrapped here. Glove box. All this wrapped. So we about to go in with wrap the armrest and the rest of the pieces. I think we're gonna put a LED light somewhere up under here. Throw a little LED glow up under here. And I guess make it formulate all the way to the back. We got the back panels broke down. Where are they? Where are they? Concho got them broke down somewhere. Oh, there they go. So we're gonna wrap all of that up and make the light transition all the way from the front to the back on the 65. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Hey, make sure y'all tell your mammies, tell your aunts, subscribe to my channel, man, and show y'all boys some love, man. Trying to keep that content going for y'all. Project nothing but a G thing, man. I see all the views, man. Everybody ain't subscribing. What y'all waiting on, man? What y'all waiting on to subscribe? We're gonna do push start. LED switches for the top. Up and down. Switches to cut the lights on. You know, funk it out like we always do. What y'all think about that color combination? Look like a butterscotch. Yes, sir. Stitch by Slick. In a minute.